but you're going to get the analysis even before the market starts. So before the market opens, we go over our watch list with you. We go over our game plans with you. We are not Monday morning quarterbacks. I don't come on these live streams and just say, hey, look what happened today. Trust me, we did this. I tell you on these live streams what I think is going to happen tomorrow. I tell you what positions I am in, what positions I am considering getting into. And when I'm wrong, I'll tell you when I'm wrong. And when I'm right, I'm going to tell you when I'm right. And I'm right a hell of a lot more than I am wrong. And we were right yet again today, because on last night's live stream, and this is really where the difference comes into play, it's the quality of the analysis. It's a success rate of the trade alerts with us as a group around an 80% win rate over the last 4 years. Yesterday on this live stream, I came on this live at the exact same time, and I told you, no, yesterday was at 8:30 at night, actually. We did a live stream later in the evening last night. I came on this live stream, okay, and we went over what I thought the markets were going to do today. I explained to you on last night's live. If you missed it, you can go back and watch it. I also grabbed the video clip so you can see it. I told you that I think the markets are due for a bounce. Yesterday, we had a really nice technical reversal candle come in on the daily chart. You came into today, the markets were extended to the downside. We're at a huge support level on the SPY. And I believe that we were going to have a nice little bounce back day in the markets. And I told you specifically yesterday, I think we are green today, and I'm looking for NVIDIA and Meta long. I've got a quick little couple second video clip that I just grabbed from last night's YouTube video in case you missed it. If you don't believe me, let's go ahead and play that clip. Tomorrow, I think we have a green day. I think there's a bounce back day coming tomorrow. I'm eyeing up Meta. I'm eyeing up NVIDIA for possible long trades. Okay, that is yesterday's live stream. Me telling you I'm eyeing up Meta. I'm eyeing up NVIDIA. I think the markets are going to be green. These are the stocks that I'm going to look to buy so that I can make money today. That was yesterday. I'm not coming on these live streams and telling you, oh, hey, look, this is what we did today. And you have no way of knowing if it's true or not because you're not a member of True Trading Group and you're obviously not there. You're not inside chat. You're not getting our trade alerts. You're not on the mobile app. You do not have access to the trade alerts that are sent to our 10,000 members of True Trading Group in 115 different countries. So you need to understand the quality of the analysis. Every single morning we come on, we give you our watch list, our game plan, the stocks we're focused on with entry and exit prices. The next video clip I'm going to share with you is my analysis this morning when I tell people in True Trading Group, guys, I'm expecting a green day. NVIDIA is the stock that we're going to focus on. These are the areas we're looking to get in. These are the areas I think that NVIDIA has room to, where we're going to be taking profits so that we take the guessing out of your trading. You don't have to worry about chasing trade alerts. You don't have to worry about guessing on where you should be focusing your attention during the day. We lay this out for you every single day. It's not me by myself. There's 9 professional traders that do this. Lean on our analysis. That's why we're here. You join True Trading Groups so that you guys can make money, but understand you're busy during the day and you don't have the experience that a lot of the other moderators in True Trading Group have. So lean on us, rely on us. Let us do that heavy lifting for you. Here is a video clip now inside the True Trading Group chat room. This video was not from YouTube. The one I just showed you was. This video is from inside the True Trading Group platform in the morning when I'm going over my watch list for the day. Let's play that clip. But then one of the long ideas that I'm watching is actually NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA is sitting on this 100-day moving average, that pink line on my screen. Really what I'm looking for from NVIDIA is if the market finds support down in the 200-day moving average zone that we've been looking for, if it finds support and starts to move higher, I think you can see NVIDIA go back up into the mid to high 430s. The trigger for that move, I feel, is 428. 428, we can draw a line across it on the 15-minute. You guys can see this little double top resistance there from the last couple of days after finding support at that 100-day moving average. And if the markets move higher, and if NVIDIA does that, I think you could see just like this churn move back to the upside and get back up into this level that you guys can see was resistance. And then prior to that, you see that it was a zone of support. And I feel like that's the bigger resistance level, not the 428. I look at the 428 as a bit of a minor level. And if we can clear it, I think you have a chance to maybe see NVIDIA get up into the mid to high 430s. Okay, there's the video clip from this morning inside chat where I'm going over the game plan with NVIDIA. Okay, so now all the members of True Trading Group know that I'm going to be focusing on NVIDIA for a long today. I think the markets are going to be green. We talked about it yesterday on the live stream. We talked about it this morning. I think the markets are going to be green. And I'm going to look for NVIDIA to be moving to the upside. I think the markets are going to be green. So now we go over to the charts from today. And this is where I made my money today. Now, like I said, again, full disclosure, I had a losing trade today as well in ARM, ARM. ARM. I lost money in ARM. Listen, I come on here, I tell you about the wins. I also come on here and I tell you about the losses. But my NVIDIA win netted me a far larger gain than the ARM loss lost me. Okay, so I'm walking away, nice little green day, but I did have a red trade today in ARM. I want full disclosure on that, so you guys are fully aware on that. So today was not a perfect day for me, but NVIDIA is really the trade of the day. You're looking at about a 55% gain on call options for members thanks to the NVIDIA trade. Okay, NVIDIA was able to net us almost like a 3-to-1 on that trade. ARM, a full 1-to-1 risk unit loss. So let's go ahead and let's talk about this NVIDIA position. We opened up today, okay, and right off the opening bell, here's the opening bell, this red candle right here. Okay, this candle right here is the opening bell. So right off the open, we start to form this is a bottoming pattern. So you guys can start to see this is a bottoming pattern when you see tails like this. See all these different tails, right? You drop down, tail, 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 tail. So this is a little bit of a bottoming chart pattern as the markets opened up. And then once the SPY broke high of the day and the SPY went green, you got this nice volume increase in NVIDIA that popped your head back above VWAP and actually went back green. And I stepped in and I got long right here at $424.64. Right here is the entry point on NVIDIA. Just like we discussed in the pre-market session, just like members were looking for, we got the bottoming pattern. Then you get this pop back above VWAP, increasing volume. That's my buy signal. I step in, I take the trade long. If you can't afford shares of NVIDIA, no worries. I alert always when I trade these higher price stocks. I'll always alert for you an option contract that you can get into the trade also if you would like. So I told members, if you guys want to follow me on the trade, go after the October 6th expiration. $430 strike call option was anywhere between $8 and $8.50 a contract, between $8 and $8.50 a contract. And now those contracts went all the way up over $13 a contract. So you're looking at about a 55% gain on those call options on NVIDIA. There's the entry. And then you guys can see this thing just starts to push and this thing just starts to rip. And then we just started to push. I took some profits off into this move, got our first pieces of profits off the table. Then you had to deal with this little bit of a brief pullback as the market pulled back, but then we were able to stabilize and continue our churn and really push up into the afternoon session. And once we did this, then I just start really dropping my position off the table and I start really taking profits off in the bulk of my position as we got that follow through and extension move on NVIDIA. And that's right from the pre-market watch list, the pre-market game plan. And even if you're not a member, I told you on the live stream yesterday that I'm going to be going long NVIDIA today. Turns out to be the right call, netted our members over a 50% gain.